Hello, everyone. My name is S.J. Tannenbaum from the Yeshiva University Innovation Lab. I am here with Rivka Szafranski, the CEO of Clinical Trial Guide. Rivka, how are you today?
I'm doing great, thank God. How are you doing?
Doing very well. Thank you so much for joining us. What is your company called? How is it founded? And what is its mission? How would you like to
Sure.
summarize it?
Sure. So we're the clinical trial guide. Our founder and chairman, David Polinsky, who is also a YU grad, started the company about a year and a half ago. Its mission is to bring clinical trials to the patients in a patient-centric format. So we're a resource for patients and their caregivers navigating the clinical trial process from start to finish, everything they need to know, every question they should ask, everything they should or should not be concerned with. And we do this through a series of articles, webinars, timely news pieces, etc., as well as we are building a Connect platform that will allow pharma companies to have direct access to patients seeking clinical trial information by providing their clinical trials in a user-friendly, plain English format. So that's what our mission is. We want to make sure that clinical trials are focused on the patient experience, as up until now they really have focused so much on pharma. And it's time that we spend a little bit of effort, focusing on what the patient's journey is like, so that we can improve the experience.
What did you think of your experience working with the YU Innovation Lab? And how do you feel that the YU Innovation Lab has helped your company grow?
Sure. So it was pretty like streamlined and straightforward. I spoke with Maria first, who was wonderful, and she connected me with Tom, who is a professor, I guess, in the marketing department, and connected to the innovation lab. And they assigned me a team of students. I believe the students were from the marketing master's program. Um, Students were, very, very diligent, very smart, very timely. Um, I would say that we touched base a couple of times throughout the semester, and then they made a presentation at the end, and it was pretty straightforward and seamless.
So what's the plan going forward based on what you got from working with the Yeshiva University Innovation Lab? And did you get anything practical in terms of strategy, tactics, data, any tangibles that you plan on applying to your future business strategies?
Sure. So they gave us some information in terms of the market for the clinical trial recruitment space that was helpful. It was also really great to just learn about how they gathered the information. They did something called like deep listening, I believe, and that was actually something I was not familiar with up until now. So that was very cool to see what they did with it. And I think we still have to review some of the materials that they sent us, but I imagine that a lot of it will help us reach our clients a lot better. So I'm looking forward to that.
Thank you so much for the time. Once again, Rivka Szafranski, the CEO of Clinical Trial Guide. Rivka, thanks so much for taking the time.